Way we do it now, son. I walk the way we do it. Walking way we do it now, son. We do the way.
Got all the buttons on, but I haven't wired anything up yet, button wise. But they work anyway. See if I can get his buttons to flash. That's it. Not that these red ones are going to flash, it just shows that they come on. And that light on there shows what the inside light's doing. Here we go, I've got me rack thing built, and adjusting this dial here, just the flicker rate of the flashing circuit in there, and beep, 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 beep. Okay, so basically the speed is going to dictate how quickly numbers go up, like, or down, you know. Oh god, see, sticky dials. Won't be suffering that anymore. So that will be jumping up at that rate each number. So yesterday, put in all these buttons. These ones light up just like these pages do. As you can see, different lights come on depending on what page you're on. So depending on what page you're on, you get different lights, so they're going to be reflected on here, so I'll know exactly where to go when I'm editing stuff. So yeah, it's been powered by a USB from the fake USB drive, well, floppy drive, but USB.
We do it now, son. We do the way we walking.